Hello everyone, this is Sybil. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a little mini tour of my craft room. If you're familiar with my channel and have been a follower of me for a while, a subscriber, you're probably familiar with the last craft room tour I did, which was last year. We purchased our home and we remodeled it top to bottom, inside and out. We still have a lot of things to do, but my craft room was the last room that we did remodel, and I shared how it looked a year ago, a little over a year ago. I've made some changes in the last 3.5 weeks. I purchased some new storage products that has really helped me out, and I've done some reorganizing, I've done purging, and so after this video where I just give you a little walk through my room, I'm going to do a video series sharing what's in my craft desk, my coloring station, what's in my hutches, my carts, my Raskog cart, and my closet, and that way you will be able to see in more detail and in depth the changes I've made to my room. And if you're new to my channel, then you'll be able to see this fresh new little mini facelift that I've given to my craft room. But before I go into my room, I do want to apologize for any shaking because I am holding my iPhone in my hand and I do not want to make anybody ill, so I'm going to go slowly as possible, but I'm going to be walking, talking, and filming, so, wish me the best on that. And also, it's a really beautiful sunshiny day, but that big window right there would wash out my whole room if I didn't close the blinds. So I do have the light on, and when I approach the window, it's either going to get light or dark or maybe both. So excuse that as well. So I'm going to just pan up real slow. And there's a large, I don't know if you want to call it a shelf, a lip, or just what, but it goes around my craft room for that side. It's up there and it goes clear above the door here. And we are talking about putting some lights up there. I do love the natural light I get from that window. It's fantastic. But when I film sometimes, it can really wreak havoc with my filming. So I think some more lighting would really help out. All right, I'm going to walk in and I'm going to close this door behind me. There we go. Sorry about that. Shaking. So, just trying to move slow. I still have some shelving units to put on the wall. Well, these walls over here, the other walls are pretty much covered. But this is my coloring station. I'm going to step back slowly so you can see that. That desk, I'm trying to get it, there we go. The desk is from IKEA, and it's just 3 individual pieces. It's the desktop and then the 2 sets of drawers. And that's where I do my coloring with Copic markers as well as colored pencils. And then when I do that video, I will go into detail of what's in the drawers. I'll pull everything open and that way you can see. And then over here, this is a, well, it's not a corner table, but we've pushed 2 little tables together to make that area. And that's where I film, but I also do my planning. I work on my scrapbooks, traveler's notebooks, faith journaling. I have my Bible studies over here, Project Life. So I do a lot at this little area here. And throughout my room, you will see beautiful artwork that friends have blessed me with. And the chairs, I got those when we were back in Oregon, and I think they were from Office Depot. And there's my large tripod that I do use for overhead filming. And here's my closet. I had my husband take the doors off so that way I could just put that hutch in there and easily get in and get everything that I need. And again, I will share everything in that hutch as well as what's in my closet in those little bins and boxes in an upcoming video. And then here is another unit from IKEA. And then we did purchase that rolling cart from IKEA after I shared my room tour. A few months later, we purchased that. I also do some filming at this desk as well, but that's become few and far between now. But that is a Martha Stewart desk, and I really love it. And I did put those heavy-duty mats there on the floor because sometimes my ink pads think they belong on the floor instead of on my desk. I don't know why they think that, but yep, that happens. And then this is another Martha Stewart hutch. And so that is just a little walkthrough. Sorry again for all the shaking. But I did buy that Hello Love and shared that in a video last year. And I just recently purchased paint to paint the word love. I bought a bright, like a fuchsia colored paint, similar to the color in that canvas there. And I'm gonna put that on and then do a whitewash over it. And then I'm gonna decoupage the word hello. So I think it'll be pretty when I'm done. But there you go, that's where I do my die cutting. So just a little quick walkthrough of my room. I love my craft room. The walls, if you can't tell, they're a soft pink, really soft. I believe it's called Princess Pink. But because of the lighting, it just sometimes doesn't show up too well. But thank you everyone for watching. I appreciate a thumbs up, and if you enjoyed this video, I would love to hear what you think of my room. Leave your comment down below and I will reply, and I read all the comments. And if you are new to my channel and haven't subscribed, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone for watching. I will talk to you again soon. Bye for now.